Okay. Good morning, beta. Alankrita is not connected to audio. Taranveer.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, good morning, beta. Let's wait for other students to join.
Okay.
Athar Gupta, beta, you're not supposed to be here. It's Sangeeta ma'am's class. Go and join the other link. Okay, everybody, I'll be sharing screen with you. You're supposed to do now. In the previous class, you have done the difficult words, everyone. Yes, Alankrita, Arsalan, Athar Gupta. Athar Gupta, I'm removing you, beta. You are not supposed to be here. You have joined the wrong link. Arsalan, Vedanshu, everyone. Have you done difficult words, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm sharing screen for key points.
Ma'am, we will do coupon in this class.
Yes, you will do key points right now.
Ma'am, I have done.
Okay, beta.
Ma'am, I have also done.
Beta, till then you can just highlight, underline. I will share the next page in 2 minutes.
Ma'am, I have done this page. Ma'am, today will be 8th period.
Not for you. Your classes will go up till 7th period only.
Okay. Ma'am, India has 29 states.
Yes, beta. It has 29 states, but in the old book, it was 28 states. Now, there is a confusion between 9 union territories and 8 union territories also. So, what you will do is just write down 29 states and 9 union, no, 29 states and 8 union territories. Make it 29.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, but India has 9 union territories.
Beta, now see in the new books, Daman and Diu and Dadar and Nagar Haveli have been taken as one union territory. In the old book, they were taken separate as separate union territories.
Ma'am, there are currently
Yes, you write down 8 only. Can I remove the screen? Can I change the page?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am, I am highlighting.
Highlighting you will do later. Just write it. I will come back to the same page. Write down right now.
Ma'am, very short key point.
Very?
Ma'am, there are very short key points.
Yes. There are very less key points because the chapter is so small.
Ma'am, what is the name of the territory in fifth one?
Each state and union territory has a capital. Has.
Ma'am, have.
HAS has a union, has a capital.
Ma'am, what is the residence?
Residence means home.
Okay.
I have written lives 2 times. Each state has
Yes.
a governor who lives in the official residence called Raj Bhavan.
Lives.
Ma'am, I have done.
Ma'am, done. Ma'am, in January elections are coming.
Okay, now children, what we are going to do? Just highlight all this.
And answers. Ma'am, exercise.
Ma'am, please bigger it.
Figure it. Okay. Zoom it, beta. Zoom it.
Ma'am, exercise.
Wait. That's what I'm seeing. Yes, exercise. India is a dash. Now see, here it is given India has 28 states and 8 union territories. In your book, in nutshell. It's given no 28 states and 8 union territories.
Ma'am, India is.
Written
Ma'am, what is the answer? India is a
dash country. Now tell the first sentence of this chapter. India is a dash country.
neighboring. No, neighboring.
India is a dash country. Vast country, beta. Vast.
Excuse
Ma'am,
me, ma'am.
Yes.
Here the previous page
Previous page. Okay, wait.
to highlight.
Take. See what is to be highlighted.
Ma'am, this Shakin a dash. Ma'am. Ma'am, I know the answer of second fill in the blank.
Tell me what is it? A dash map shows the administrative divisions.
Political map.
Very
Political
good.
map.
Very good. A political map shows administrative divisions. Next, who will tell?
Ma'am, me. Ma'am, I. Ma'am, I.
Tell.
Chief Minister.
Read out the whole sentence.
The dash is the administrative head of the state. Chief Minister.
Very good. The chief minister is the administrative head of the state. Next. The dash sea is on the west of India.
Arabian Sea.
Arabian Sea. Very good. Now, do these fill in the blanks in your copies. There are still 15 minutes left. 20 minutes. No, 9 minutes. What time does the class get over? 12:30.
12:30.
Yes, there is a lot of time left. You will do fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks in your copy.
Ma'am, match the columns and fill in the blanks.
No, just now, just do fill in the blanks in your copies.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, they are take the correct option, not the
Ma'am, please tell the or fill in the blank answer.
You want me to share screen with you?
Ma'am, can I tell the answer?
Yes, tell. Akshay, write all the answers in the chat box. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, with questions.
No. Mute.
अच्छा अच्छा
अरे बेटा म्यूट योरसेल्फ. I have shared fill in the blanks with you, children.
Ma'am, is my answer are correct? District
Yes, beta,
someone said-
definitely your answers are correct.
Okay. Ma'am, my fourth one is wrong. Arabic.
Whose fourth one is wrong? Oh,
Ma'am, my
yes,
blanks.
it is absolutely
Ma'am.
wrong. Make it correct. You said Arabian. While telling the answers, you said Arabian. Now you have written Bay of Bengal. And you have written Bay on Bengal. Not even Bay of Bengal.
Ma'am, I am doing the tick the correct option, ma'am.
Now everyone, each one of you, please do fill in the blanks. Okay.
Ma'am, I done all fill in the blanks and tick the correct option.
Beta, now do them in your copy.
Okay. Ma'am, the answer that I send is of tick the correct option.
What Akshat? What are you saying?
Ma'am, the answers that I send is of tick the correct option.
Beta, I have not seen. Please do fill in the blanks. Then we'll come on to the next one. Now don't speak and start doing this work.
Ma'am, I have done.
Okay, beta. What about others?
Ma'am, I have also done. Ma'am, we have to also do tick the correct option in the copy. Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, we have to do tick the correct option in the copy.
Which option?
Ma'am, tick the correct option.
Wait, beta. Let me see where it is. Just wait. Tick the correct option. No, first we have match the following, right? After filling
Yes.
the blanks, we have match the following. Do match the following. Madhya Pradesh. What does it match to?
Ma'am, capital.
Yes, capital.
And Bhopal.
Okay, I'm giving you 5 minutes. All of you will do it yourself. Arsalan, sit down and do your work. Do match the following yourself, and then I'm going to ask you, each one of you. It is very easy. See from the table that is given of states and capital. You'll be able to do it.
Ma'am, my book, capital of Tamil Nadu is missing.
Capital of Tamil Nadu is missing from here.
Ma'am, it is Chennai.
Ma'am, in matching option.
In the matching option. No, it is there, beta. It is written, see. Chennai is written in column B.
Ma'am, I am got it.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have done.
Ma'am, I've done.
Okay. So what is the answer of Madhya Pradesh?
Bhopal. Bhopal.
What is the answer of Chhattisgarh?
Ma'am, what?
What is the answer of Chhattisgarh?
Ma'am, Raipur.
Raipur.
Uttar Pradesh.
Lucknow.
Very good. Andaman and Nicobar Islands.
Port Blair.
Port Blair. Then we have Maharashtra. Mumbai. Okay, Taranveer will tell me of Uttarakhand.
Ma'am, Dehradun.
Dehradun. Very good. And Arsalan will tell me of Goa.
Ma'am, what Goa?
What Goa? Arsalan, you don't even know what is being done because you're busy talking. You're not paying attention in class. Do you even know that we are doing exercise B?
Okay, ma'am.
Tell me the answer of Goa, Arsalan. Hurry up. Look into exercise B and tell me.
Ma'am, I have to type Goa.
Yes, you have to tell me the correct option for Goa. Goa matches to which option? of column B?
Ma'am, Panaji.
Panaji. Okay. Rest all you have done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Then next, the states are divided into smaller dash. The states
District.
are districts. Very good. Then we have next, the capital of Dadar and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu is? What is it? What is the capital of
Ma'am, Daman. Ma'am, Daman.
Daman? Daman and Diu and Dadar and Nagar Haveli is Daman. Landmass surrounded by water on 3 sides and land on 1 side is called?
Peninsula. Peninsula.
It is called a peninsula. Then the dash forms the eastern boundary of India.
Bay of Bengal. Bay of Bengal.
Very good. It is the Bay of Bengal.
Delhi.
Now, children, what you can do is you can do this exercise in the form of fill in the blanks only. Where you have done fill in the blanks? In your copy, you have done exercise A.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, under it, do this exercise also as fill in the blank. Need not write all the options. Just start writing it.
Ma'am, can we mix this fill in the blanks and C option?
Yes.
Start from 5.
Yes, you can mix it. You can start with, again, you can put number 1 and start writing. After those 4 fill in the blanks, again put number 1.
Ma'am, without writing fill in the blanks.
Yes, without writing fill in the blanks. Okay? Start doing it.
Ma'am, what we are doing?
Beta, you are doing fill in the blanks of C exercise. You have to do them in your copy.
Ma'am, I have done A, B,
Now,
and C in the book.
beta, अब C exercise you have to do in copy. Okay? A exercise and C exercise is to be done in the copy.
Ma'am, I have done the C1 also.
Very good, Akshaj. Now you can wait for others to do. And the class is getting over now because it's time for the next class. You can move for your next class, Akshaj, since you have done.
Good morning, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good
Okay,
afternoon.
ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, beta. I am ending this meeting.
Bye, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.